like to invite Dr. Mtui and Mrs. Mtui. You can come over, please.
Thank you, Seth, for inviting me to this induction ceremony for the Harlem Children's Society program for year 2009. What I'd like to do is to welcome all the students who are going to join this program for the first time this year. Also welcome back the students who have been in the program in the past. I know you're all motivated individuals and you're looking forward to gaining experience, research, and science for the 8 weeks of the program. And for those who are going to stay in the program for the year, you'll be enjoying the benefits of working with distinguished researchers in the various universities in the New York area. I've been associated with this program for the last, I'll say, 4 years with SAT, and I've seen this program grow in major dimensions. And as you've heard, the program started in the year 2000 with 3 students in place, and now with more than 400 students in the New York area. We also have more than 800 students globally. What I'd like to make is a little comment about myself and my background. I'm from Tanzania. My wife and I are from Tanzania, and grew up and raised in Kilimanjaro area in the northeastern part of Tanzania. We've recorded an extensive history in our training. My wife trained as an engineer, was trained as a doctor in Tanzania in the early 70s. We've blessed 5 children, and our children finished high school in Tanzania. In the late 90s, we moved to located in New York for better opportunities for the family. And we've been in New York since 1999. And it's been a pleasure to work with various programs for the minority students. What we've heard from previous speakers was the idea of giving back. Much as we live in New York, we've been doing a lot for the poor people and poor families in Tanzania, helping children whose parents have died of HIV, helping children whose parents don't support them in school, giving as much as we can to them. Through the support of my dean at Cornell Medical College, I've spent about 2 to 3 months a year in Tanzania, teaching the medical school, providing equipment, books, and work with kids who are coming from poor families. Dr. Sat spoke with me about 3 years ago about the possibility of starting a program in Tanzania, and Sat was able to travel to Tanzania to look at the opportunities available for those kids. We're able to recruit 30 students, and as we speak now, those students will be joining this program. We look forward to see this program proceed with their high school graduation and also being able to join distinguished medical colleges in Tanzania and in the world. The key thing is giving back, and you've heard this from the previous speakers, that you study a very long journey. A long journey in terms of developing yourself. But what I would like to mention to you is when you accomplish this journey, look back where you came from and try your best to give something back to your communities, your families, and everybody who's in the same situation that you were many years ago. That's what I've done, that's what my wife has done, and that's what we look forward to develop this world. Nobody can make it all, and we truly need to work together as a team and help each other. For those few remarks, I'd like to welcome you to this program, and I want to thank Dr. Sat. And I want to thank you all.
Thank you. I have not much to say, but I loved mathematics and calculus. In Tanzania during the Cold War 1977-76, most of the girls didn't like mathematics. They didn't like science subjects. So I was forced to do applied mathematics, physics, and chemistry, so that I will go and teach girls. We'll start a girls' school where we will be teaching and encouraging girls. But unfortunately, I found myself I was not a teacher. I didn't like teaching. And the only university of engineering, Dar es Salaam University, was for men. there was no even bathrooms for girls. So when I said I'm just going to join engineering, the first thing they told me is that, where will you even change your clothes? There's no bathroom there. But I told them I believe there are some secretaries around where I can use the secretary's bathroom. So I joined the University of Dar es Salaam 1977. I know some of you are not born. So by then, it was difficult for me because people or men, they never thought there were women who could do engineering. I was given a scholarship by a Swedish group of women called Fredrika Bremer Forbundet, and I went to ASEA AB 1981. I worked in Sweden in 1981, and I went to the University of Uppsala, investors, and then I met some few, actually I think it was only 10 women in Sweden, which is highly developed. I thought also there were some women engineers, but I found that there were few, and we changed experience. But what I just want to finish by saying that by my fighting to go to the university as the first woman engineer in that university, right now I think 30% of the students who join every year at the university are women. And some of them have also, some of them who followed me, they are even in the political field, they are still fighting. And I believe I want to encourage you, especially the girls, to aim high. The sky is the limit. And I don't think there's anything with hard work which will end, which will make you not do or succeed in your life. And boys, especially the minorities, we need you. We need scientists, especially boys and girls. We need to do a lot more for the minority kids here and everywhere in the world. Thank you.